Hey Facebook friends, it's Matt with Four Seasons Pest Solutions. As we can see outside, it's a beautiful day. We're seeing some warmer weather and we love it, we love it, we love it. I'm tired of the cold. What I'd like to do today is invite you to give Four Seasons Pest Solutions a call. We're a full-line pest control company. Any pest, any season, we're the solution. As this warm weather approaches, many insects are going to be coming into your home. Most importantly, termites. Four Seasons offers great programs for termite prevention and termite control. What we'd like to encourage you to do is to prevent the infestation before it ever starts. Swarm season is upon us. We're going to begin to see termites swarm from the ground, outside, away from the house, around the house, in the house. We want to prevent that before it happens to you. If you've never had termites swarm in your house, be thankful that you haven't, and do something to prevent it from happening in the future. You can call Four Seasons Pest Solutions at 606-677-2437, or you can give us a call at 606-379-9994. If you're in Stanford, Danville, Lancaster, you can give us a call at 606-879-0129. You'll find us in the phone book there as Green Solutions Pest Management Professionals. And also, you can give us a call at 1-877-999-BUG-X. That's 2849. Visit us on the World Wide Web at www.myfsps.com. That stands for Four Seasons Pest Solutions. If you haven't already, like us on Facebook, follow us there for more video updates. Give us a call. We'll come out to your home, perform a free inspection and evaluation, give you a price on what it's going to cost to eliminate the pest control problem that you're having at that time. Thanks for choosing Four Seasons Pest Solutions in advance. Have a great day and God bless.